Today commences the first of a series of workshops that are geared towards capacity development of staff within the Department of Marine Resources, and this is geared towards the continued implementation of our underutilized species development program. And what that is building capacity among actors in the fishing industry to be able to exploit species that are available in our waters but are not traditionally harvested or are underexploited, meaning not to be a full capacity. So participants were exposed to the history of diamondback fishing globally, regionally, and here locally in our waters. We've done some work in the past in 2017 and 2018 looking at the viability of the resource and becoming a target species. And we were able to discuss the benefits of the introduction of a species like this in terms of diversifying the catch that is in our waters locally and how that can contribute to food security and the development of the fishers' livelihoods and the fishing industry in general. And all of this is a part of the mandate of the Department of Marine Resources to sustainably develop our resources, and it is also in keeping with the 25 by 25 agenda of the Ministry of Agriculture, Marine Resources, Fisheries and Cooperatives.